Welcome back, y'all. Today we have a very interesting shoe. We didn't have anything in the shop that was just really,
that would be a fun video.
Yeah, really entertaining. So we said, let's make our own. We went out to where?
We went to the rack room at the mall down the street, and we wanted to just find something different. We've never been to the rack room and bought a pair of shoes to redo. These were on the cheaper side. They're not, what you guys are used to seeing on our channel. So we figured, hey, let's give it a go and see how they turn out. So,
well, it was really just trying to see, can we do this?
Yeah.
So let's see.
Yeah, let's head out the shop and we'll tell you more. Okay guys, we went to the rack room last week. Now, like we said earlier, we wanted to do something a little off the wall, and we bought this pair of shoes called Hey Dude. Now, I don't know if you guys know about this brand, but I see you guys wearing them all over the place. At least where we live, there's a lot of them. And it's a really simple looking shoe. There's really nothing to it. And man, for 50 bucks, they are not made to be resold. So I'm kind of interested. Can we resole this? Is it possible? Well, let's get to it and let's work on this pair of Hey Dude.
It says inside Wally linen iron. So I don't know if that just is a generic, but I don't iron my shoes. Fabric and foam. All right, don't know if y'all can see this or not, but the insole is also foam, and it is just whip stitched to the fabric. So, and then it's just a bunch of foam stacked up on top. Interesting. All right, so what we did was just try to sand, this is a molded sole, so we have to give a flat surface. So we tried to sand it down to give us a little bit of what would be considered kind of like a welt, and that'll give us a flat surface to start gluing and building extra layers for our new sole. All right, so this is literally just foam crepe-ish stuff that's been glued and molded onto the shoe. That is the stitch line that actually holds this fabric to the insole, so we can't go very deep into this or we're gonna go through these stitches. We just kissed it. So we're gonna start building up from here.
Guys, one of the things that I feel fortunate about is I was blessed with a thick head of hair. Now, I know a lot of you guys, have difficulties in that area. As a matter of fact, 2 out of every 3 guys by the age of 35 will experience some sort of hair loss. Well, you're in luck because Keeps is here to help. Keeps is an online subscription business that helps you guys keep your hair. And one of the great things about Keeps is you receive expert quality care without ever having to go to a doctor's office or a pharmacy. All Keeps treatment plans are doctor recommended and delivered straight to your door at about half the cost of a traditional pharmacy. And another great thing about Keeps is their 24/7 care and support. Now, Keeps has a network of expert medical advisors, prescribers, and care specialists to support you in making your hair goals a reality. Now guys, whether you're looking to prevent hair loss, stimulate hair growth, or just take better care of the hair you already have, Keeps has you covered. Now guys, hair loss stops with Keeps. Now, to get a special offer on any of Keep's treatment plans, simply go to keeps.com/Trent or click on the description box down below. Again, that is keeps.com/Trent. Thanks again to Keeps for sponsoring today's video. If you've watched our channel at all, you know that we do not do a lot of cement jobs. And when I say cement, I'm talking like glue jobs. Normally we do shoes that have a little bit of stitching on there or a welt or something. This is a quick, straight up glue job. So let me get some more glue on here and then we're halfway done. Okay, just so you kind of know what's going on here, we had to feather this down really short along this area, and all that was is the belt just, took off a little bit of that fine part of the blue. No big deal. We don't need to see that. You're not going to see it anyways. It's going to be covered up, but just in case you're wondering, it's fine. Okay guys, we are back. We're done from this pair of shoes. Before we show you the final product, as always, just a couple of quick reminders. Guys, if you want to check out our businesses, potterandsons.com down below. We'll also have the link, as well as southernpolished.com. Guys, if you haven't checked out Southern Polished, definitely go check it out. We were lucky enough to be in Southern Living magazine for the month of August. If you were from the southeastern United States, you guys know that Southern Living magazine is one of the oldest, most well-known, most viewed magazines
it's kind of a big deal
in the South. It's a big deal. So if you haven't gone out and checked out the August edition, yeah, go buy a copy. We'd really appreciate it, and check out southernpolished.com. Okay, let's talk about Hey Dude.
All right, so these shoes, can they be resold? Yes, technically yes.
I was kind of surprised we were able to pull it off.
Should they be resold? No.
Yeah.
These things are all foam. They are built for comfort, and they are, there's a reason why they're in that price range. With all the foam, I can see kind of, why a lot of guys like these. They probably really, really comfortable.
They look roomy and comfortable. We see guys all over the place down here in the southeastern United States wearing these things, I'm not a huge fan. It's not one that I would sport around, but hey, like Keith said, I mean, for comfort and whatnot, it's a nice looking shoe.
So all foam, we had to cut off that, sand it down, get us a flat base to work with, and then we started building it up with that blue wedge, also foam crepe, build a little wedge, and then put another thing of white up underneath that. And then
we hit those suckers with Vibram soles. I mean,
they got some real tread now.
If you had a Hey Dude shoe like this with that sole on it, the ones that came from it, you can see already had pretty good grip on it. But then these Vibrams just take it to a whole other level. I mean, again, this was just for fun. This was nothing in depth. There was just a lot of cement construction going on this pair of shoes. And again, we just wanted to make it fun with the blue, the Vibram,
Not a single stitch was placed in by us.
Yeah, this was completely different than anything else we'd done. And it's kind of fun. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. As always, guys, we really appreciate it. If you did enjoy the video, hit the thumbs up button down below. That just helps YouTube and everyone else know that you enjoyed the video. Leave us a comment. I want to know, do you guys like these? If Hey Dude made a shoe that looked like this, would you buy it?
Are you a Hey Dude guy?
Yeah, are you a Hey Dude guy? So, all right, that's about it. And until next time, y'all have a good one.